Okay, this is Rushan coming back and going to go over the Los Santos Minibadge. This one's really simple. It's only two parts: a resistor that's 75 ohms and the reverse mount LED. So I'll put this one together really quick. Here, all you really need is tweezers and your soldering iron and some solder. Grab the resistor. LED. The resistor has no direction. The LED, the divot goes to ground, which is away. Finish this up quickly. Nice shiny. Go through a little trick on putting together the last bit. So if you have a Minibadge spot, you just throw them all in. The corners, take your Minibadge, put it on. And solder it in place. To verify everything's put on correctly. Plug it in. There you go. The hand was supposed to be over the silk screen, but it didn't. But that's the quick, easy way of putting together the Los Santos Minibadge. Thanks.